Hola, buenos días. We're in Quepos in Costa Rica. So we had to get a tender boat over this morning. This is it here. The ship's over here. We've just come in off the tender, and this is the boardwalk that you come straight out onto. Just outside Quepos, there is a zip coaster. We've got people going on it right now. This is how it goes. Right here, open 10, and now it's 05, and it's only $12 US.
Ready? Here we go.
How was the zip coaster?
It's amazing.
Was it good? Were you scared?
Yeah, of course. I thought my feet were going to hit the rails above. It's beautiful.
So this is our first wild sloth we've seen in Quepos. It's so cute. So we're gonna go into the national park, the Manuel Antonio National Park. We park just down here. You come past a bunch of stalls and shops, which are quite touristy and tourist pricey as well. On the way in, you get your bags checked. No food is allowed, just water. No cigarettes allowed. Off we go. And as we're walking around in front of the So we're on Manuel Antonio Beach in the national park. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this gorgeous stretch of beach. We've got pretty much all to ourselves. walking through the national park, there are loads of animals. We've seen raccoons, we've seen capuchin monkeys, we've seen iguanas, we've seen agoutis. It's fantastic. The wildlife here is amazing. And we found the national park big official sign where you can take your photos. Manuel Antonio National Park. It is absolutely beautiful. Pura vida! They do monkey happy hour for the 6th and a gorgeous view. So we're about to get back on the ship. We've had a lovely day out in the national park. We're in the restaurant Bahia Azul, which means Blue Bay, which is what it's at. And we're just not too far from the ship in a proper local place, sitting having a michelada, some beers with our awesome friends. Here's an awesome day. Pura vida!
Cheers! Pura vida!
So we had a wonderful day today here in Quepos in Costa Rica. Huge thank you to our wonderful friends Peter and Michelle for taking us around. We love you. Mwah! We enjoyed the national park, local drinks, waterfalls, sea animals. It's a great day. See you later. Hasta luego.